Good day, ma'am, sir. I am Jenna Garote. I'm 40 years old. I live in San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. I have 2 children. My son is 19 years old. He's in college, taking up the course Marine Transportation. And my daughter is 14 years old. She's in grade 9 right now. I worked before here in Manila, Philippines, for elderly, 89 years old. And my main duties is to cook for her, feed her, and take her to a bath, and making sure that she take all the medicine that's prescribed for her. And I also do all the household chores. I work also in Malaysia for 2 years in a wonderful 6-member family, and my main duties are to taking care of her 2 daughters aged 6 and 9 years old. And I also do all the household chores, such as cleaning, car washing, ironing, laundry, cooking, and grocery. I love to cook. In fact, I currently work here in Manila as food attendant in catering services, and my main duties are cutting and preparing food, manage the buffet, making sure the cleanliness of the kitchen and utensil, dealing with the customer concerns and opinions. I hope, ma'am, sir, you will hire me, and I make sure I will not disappoint you. I will work harder, and I will follow all the rules and regulations. So that's it for now, madam, sir. I hope to see you soon. God bless you.